Hey, how's everyone doing? Welcome to the channel if you're new. Welcome back if you are a returning viewer. Today I thought I would put together a little emergency kit slash bug out kit. Let's not waste any time and jump right into it. So I've had a few requests to put together an emergency kit. Say you're out camping, you're out hunting, fishing, whatever, or if you're just out kind of exploring. And you can also use this as a bug out kit as well. First and foremost, you always want to keep a first aid kit on you. Now, all this stuff that I'm going to show you today is through CountyComm. Every one of these pieces are available on the website at CountyComm. I want to thank CountyComm for sending this stuff out to me once again. I can't say enough about CountyComm. They're the most respectful, just down-to-earth, awesome people over there at CountyComm. So a big shout out to them. I will put a link in the description to their website, as well as my discount code for you guys to go save 10%. So keep a lookout for that. As I was saying, one of the most important things that I feel most safest with is definitely a first aid kit. You want to get a first aid kit. This one, like I said, everything is on CountyComm website. This is probably the best first aid kit that I have and that I've had in a long time. It's a super sturdy kit. It's all MOLLE inside and out. So you can put your flashlights, you can put your knives, you can put all kinds of stuff on here. Mine is still factory sealed, but it will come like this. Factory sealed. It's got elastic bandages, it has band-aids, it's got gloves, it's got little mini shears, it has tape, it has abdomen bandages, it's got, you name it. It's got antiseptic in it. It's got it all. So I keep all of that sealed up until I need it to keep it sanitary. And it just slides right back in here. Just like that. Another one of the most important things that I like to carry is a Myar Sleeping Bag. You can use this for its intended purpose. An emergency sleeping bag. It's big. Let's see, it's 84 inches by 36 inches. So you could fit a couple of people in here, get nice and cozy, the body temperature together. If it's a cold, snowing, raining, it'll be good for you guys. Or if it's really windy, you can use this for shelter. You can put it and make it a little lean-to. The options for this are limitless. You can make all kinds of stuff. It's shiny, so you can use it as a reflector. If you don't know what Mylar is, you know those balloons that you get in little Valentines or the happy birthday or whatever balloons? That's actually Mylar balloons, and that's exactly what this is. All it is Mylar. But it's thick, and it's awesome. I always recommend keeping a Mylar sleeping bag in an emergency kit all the time. Speaking of signal mirrors, here is a signal mirror right here. Take this off, of course, before use, a little protective film. You always want to have a signal mirror. If you're out there and the sun's shining and you need to be seen, this will let you be seen. So a signal mirror is also on the list. Fire starter. Now inside of, you can use an Altoid tin. This is their little tin they sell on the website. This is their smaller one, but inside of their tin, it fits all kinds of stuff. Like I said, you can use an Altoid tin if you prefer. So for fire starter, I have got their little titanium mini peanut lighter. This thing is super compact, super small, and it's awesome. Fill it up with fluid. Here you go. You got a little fire starter. If you prefer to use a ferro rod instead, they have their ferro rods on there. This is their smaller one. They have larger ones on there. Here's the ferro rod right here. And the striker is on the back. Again, super compact. It all fits inside this tin. Another thing that I carry inside of this tin is the Dyneema thread. This one is rated at 44-pound test. So you can use this for fishing line. You could use this to string up your Mylar bag. You know, if you're trying to make a lean-to shelter, you can wrap it around. You can use it for all kinds of stuff. So the Dyneema thread is another one I put in the bug out / first aid / emergency. Now the other Dyneema thread they have is this one. This one is 133-pound test. Super, super strong. And you will not be able to break this. Don't put it in your teeth and think you can bite it off. Even with this one, don't do it. This one has a little cutter on it, so you're good to go. It's like just like a little dental floss thing. You put it in here and pull back, and it breaks. Super easy. But with this one, use a knife or scissors or whatever, because you will not break it. You'll break your teeth, but you won't break this. So you can use this again for fishing line, all kinds of stuff, to string up things, to make traps. And speaking of traps, if you were going to put together something, this is, believe it or not, a mini grappling hook. Everything is inside of here. Put it all together, take it out, and if you put this together real fast, let's see, there's one, there's two, and there's the third one. It turns it into a mini grappling hook. You can use this to string, to throw over a tree, to make a tent, to make a trap, to store food. You don't even have to be in an emergency situation to use this. You can use it if you're camping and you need to throw some paracord over a tree to hang your food up for bears or other animals. It turns it into a little mini grappling hook. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Speaking of fire starter, this is tinder for fire starter. So these are really small. If you wanted to, you can throw a couple of these in your little kit or throw one of them. But this is tinder. You can pull it apart. You can light this on fire itself. It's super easy, and it gets nice and fuzzy, so when those sparks do it, this thing will light up. Really good thing to have in the first aid kit. Next is their flat pack tape. They have green, orange, and black. Of course, I prefer either the orange or green because it's high vis. You can use this to, again, make a shelter, bind something up, to use it. The things you could use these for are limitless, but just use your imagination. If you need it, and you're like, wait a minute, I need tape. It's super flat and will go nicely in the front of your kit. You could even throw two of them in there if you wanted to. Have a little orange and green, mix it up if you wanted. It's your option. You do it. Another one they have is their titanium fishing kit. It comes with a little saw. Of course, it comes with hooks. It's got a couple treble hooks. It's got some little lures on it. And the back of it is sticky. So if you popped one of these out, let me see here, what do I want to pop out? Say I wanted to pop out one of these little lures. Of course, it's not going to let me. Just take something real quick and pop it out. If you do it easier than I did, not like a gorilla on camera trying to hurry up, the back of this is still sticky. It should be, and it will be, if you're not a gorilla like I am and tear it all in pieces. But there is your titanium wallet-sized fishing kit. This is known as a P38 in the military. This is the larger one. It's actually a can opener. Another good thing to have. If you've got cans and you've got no way to open it, you can go primitive with a rock, try to bang it open, or just take this little compact tool here and open up your can. It also fits right in here. Throw it in there, forget about it. Next on the list is a little compass. Let's see, there you go, a little compass. These come in a pack of 2. These are excellent to have. If you know where you're going, or you've got some sense of where you're going or need to go, you don't want to leave without a compass. Another good thing, flashlights. This is their mini LEP Cosmos flashlight that they have. I love this flashlight. If you are out somewhere and say somebody's a half mile away or even a mile away, if you turn this flashlight on, guarantee it, they are going to see you. So I highly recommend getting this flashlight for several reasons. One, if you're going to put it in a kit, awesome. If you're on the fence about getting this flashlight, if you're kind of hit or miss about getting an LEP or not, I highly recommend getting one of these. I love this flashlight. I can't say enough about this flashlight. I every day carry this flashlight, believe it or not. I have a video that I made a few months ago. If you go back on this flashlight, you can see that it has a super concentrated spot. So to use it as every day up close, it's not going to work for you. But if you need to look away, anywhere from 10 feet to a half mile away, you'll see it with this. Or if you don't want to carry the LEP, you could use a little small AAA flashlight. I've got not all of them, but I've got a lot of their AAA flashlights that I'm going to be doing a future review on here in a couple of days. And this will fit right inside of your little tin just as well. So everything will fit in here, nice and neat. Your lighter, your fire starter, your grappling hook when it's not protruded out like that, it'll all fit right inside of your tin. There you go. Nice and easy, nothing to it. That's it, guys. I just wanted to show you a little kit you could throw together with all of the things that you can purchase on the CountyComm website. If you haven't done so already, please hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Go back, watch some of my other videos. You might find something useful, might find something informative, or you just want to kill a little bit of time. And until next time, guys, take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.